Hello, it's Monika, and it is time for hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. In November, we're going to create a multiple fold card, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create this DL size multiple fold card without any cutting dice. It is super quick. Actually, the quickest one I created. For my project, I'm going to use Rust and Rose collection from Mintay papers. As you can see, it has that beautiful burgundy autumn vibes, and I really like this collection, so I thought let's play with it today to create that multiple fold card. And as I told you, it is super easy to create. You can use any design papers you've got in your stash, and if you don't want to use a scene like I'm going to do here, you can use different mats and layers to decorate your card. So here I'm going to use this beautiful design and I'm going to cut it to the size. So let's do it together. This 8 1/4 by 11 1/2 of an inch. Now I'm going to use a scoring board so you can see this 8 1/4 by 11 1/2, and I'm going to score it at 1 1/2 of an inch, then 3 inches. The next score line will be 5 1/2 of an inch, and the last one 8 inches. Now it will be time to fold and burnish those score lines. So I'm going to create a really cool scene on my multiple fold card. If you haven't heard about hashtag FFC Challenge 2023, it is hosted by Monika PaperMona. There are also other crafters taking part in this collaboration, and I left the links to their beautiful projects in the description down below, so go and have a look. We also have a Facebook group where you can share your fancy folds as well, and I left the link in the description as well. So here, as you can see, I'm using my liquid glue just to make sure everything looks professionally finished. So I'm going to put the glue here so it looks like tabs, and then when this is ready you don't really need any cut base because that beautiful design paper we use created a cut base. Now we're going to create the panel to write a message. So it is 3 inches by 7 3/4 of an inch. Super quick and simple. And I have to tell you that this collection is perfect for those types of cards. And you can decorate it the way you want. So I'm going to use those beautiful already cut elements from Rust and Rose design. As you can see, there are two different sets. And I'm not going to put any sentiment here because with the labels you can see at the top, I'm going to layer them. So when the recipient opens them, they can find a different message, which I'm going to do later when I know who's going to receive the card. Decided to embellish the card a little bit with those pumpkins and also leaves that beautiful foxy you can see. It is so adorable, so I thought I'm going to use it to decorate the card. And as you can see here, I try to repeat the same image here, and it works really well because it gives us even more dimension. I couldn't resist and I had to add that bow on that fox. I think it is super cute. Now, as you can see, I'm going to place those leaves and then add here the labels. Now I'm going to show you my trick how to make sure they are exactly where you want. So, as you can see, we've got that lighter and darker pink border on each of them. So I'm going to place them here, then I'm going to use my liquid glue. It only goes on the left hand side, so then we can open it. And then when this is ready, I'm going to put the last label inside and do it from the back. You will see in a moment. And I think this is the best trick ever because you can line it up really easily. But don't forget to burnish it really well. Then I decided to add a leaf as well, just for extra interest. As I told you, you can decorate it the way you want. And this card is super easy. You can create it in 5 minutes, which I think for a fancy fold is really amazing. And please let me know if you like this card and if you feel inspired to create your own multiple fold card. And don't forget to check Monika, also Jenny, Katarina, and amazing craft is taking part in this collaboration. As I told you, I left the links in the description down below. Also added couple of pearls just to make it super special. And the card stands proudly on the flat surface. There is plenty of space to write your message, and it goes flat in the envelope. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos in hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. In November, we're going to create a multiple fold card, and when you go to our Facebook group, you can see even more fancy folds there. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!